Al-Hilal reclaimed top spot in the Saudi Pro League on October 7 with a 3-0 win away to Al-Okhdood. Brazilian winger Michael opened the scoring for the visitors in the 10th minute, with Serbian international midfielder Serge Milinkovic-Savic adding a brace late in the game. Al-Okhdood, meanwhile, were reduced to 10 men in first-half stoppage time when Said Al-Rubey was given a second yellow for a reckless challenge on Milinkovic-Savic. The victory, which sees Jorge Jesus' side move a point clear of Al-Towan, comes as Neymar Jr. was granted permission by the club to return to Brazil to attend the birth of his daughter.